Understanding Staying Mad, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing phrase, staying mad. This phrase is not just about the words but the emotions and context they convey. So, let's unravel its meaning together. Staying mad refers to the act of continuing to be angry or upset about something over a period of time. It's not just a fleeting moment of anger, but a sustained feeling. This phrase often implies that the person has the option to let go of their anger, but chooses to hold on to it. To understand staying mad better, let's look at some examples. 1. After an argument. If someone remains angry after an argument instead of moving on or forgiving, they are staying mad. 2. Holding grudges. When a person can't let go of past offenses and keeps their anger alive, they are staying mad about the past. 3. In literature and media, characters in stories or movies often demonstrate this behavior, offering us a glimpse of its impact on relationships and personal well-being. When someone chooses to stay mad, it can have various implications. Emotional impact. Prolonged anger can affect a person's emotional health. Social relationships. It might strain relationships with others who feel the continued anger is unwarranted or excessive. Personal reflection. This phrase can be used for self-reflection, recognizing when we might be holding on to anger unnecessarily. You can use staying mad in several contexts. Describing others, he's been staying mad at me ever since the disagreement. Self-reflection, I need to stop staying mad over trivial issues. In advice, staying mad won't help. It's better to communicate and resolve the issue. Understanding phrases like staying mad enriches our grasp of the English language, especially in conveying emotions and behavioral states. We hope this video sheds light on how this phrase is used and its implications in everyday communication. Keep exploring English with us, and remember, language is not just about words, but the world they paint. See you in the next video.